Welcome to Goodfirms. Let's see how you can list your company on Goodfirms to gain additional visibility for your business. Head down over here and click on the Get Listed button to go to the Sign Up section. You can sign up to Goodfirms either via LinkedIn or a Google account. If you choose to sign up via Google, we recommend that you sign up using your business official email address to ensure a seamless experience. For this video, let's sign up using Google. You just need to complete the basic steps to authenticate the request. Once the authentication is completed, you will be redirected to your account's dashboard. Head over here and click on Organization, which brings us here where you can decide what action you want to take with your Goodfirms account. You can choose to submit a review for any business or product that you have experience working with. If you're looking to list your business, you can also choose how you want your business to get listed. If you're a business offering product or product services, please click on List Software under the Software Listing section. If you're a business offering services, please click on List Company under Company Listing section. Once you click on List Company, you can see the registration form. As you can see, the registration information has been divided in 4 parts: general information, locations, services, and clients and industries. Let's start by entering the relevant information about your company here. We'll start with the company name, the business logo, the tagline. Next, we'll move on to the year of establishment. Select the number of employees, the average hourly rate, and then we'll move on to fill out the company website. Under the contact details, when you start entering your company website, if you encounter a message saying website already exists, contact us, please click on Contact Us. Getting this message indicates that your business is already present on Goodfirms. And so, rather than registering your business again, it's a good idea to get in touch with us and gain access to the profile already listed on Goodfirms. If you don't encounter the website already exists message, then proceed with entering your company's website. Next, we'll list out the phone number of our business and the sales email address. Moving on, we'll fill out the social media profiles. Next, we head to the About Your Company section. You can fill this section with a brief description of your business. Next, we come across the Certificates Compliance section, wherein you can select the certificates that are applicable to your business. Similarly, you can select applicable partner programs. Once this is done, click on Save and Next. As you can see, we have completed filling out the first part of our registration. Now we'll add the location of our business. We'll start by searching out the city, selecting it, and filling out the rest of the details of our location. While you're entering your location information, you can preview it over here. You can add up to 4 locations in your profile. If you want to be listed in more than one location, please contact our team to know more. We will complete the second part of our registration by clicking on Save and Next. Now we'll work on adding the services that our business provides. We will start by typing out the service in this search bar and selecting the appropriate result. Here, when you look for Android, we'll see the following results and we'll select Android from the menu. Doing this will add mobile app development, the main service, and Android, the sub-service in our profile. We'll similarly look for and select other services such as SEO, thereby adding digital marketing as the main service and SEO as a sub-service under digital marketing. If you would like to see what sub-services are present, after adding a main service, you can head over here, click on Add and scroll to see the list of services applicable and available on Goodfirms and add the ones that are applicable to your business. For example, if your business also provides iOS services along with Android, you can also look for it in this search bar, Search Services, as well as in the drop-down menu, Add under Mobile App Development. Once you've selected all the services applicable to your business, we'll work on filling out the focus values. The total focus value should be 100, so make sure that you divide the values as per your business expertise and focus for a particular service. Similarly, we need to make sure that the focus values for sub-services under different services should be 100 as well. If the focus values in any service does not total out to 100, they will be outlined in red and will require your attention. Once we've ensured that all the focus values are 100, we'll be able to finish the third step of our registration process by clicking on Save and Next. In this section, we'll fill out the breakdown of our client focus. As you can see, we'll put a percentage value that shows the amount of clients we have worked for with less than $10 million in revenue. Similarly, we'll put the values for clients with revenue between $10 million to $1 billion. And finally, clients with more than $1 billion in revenue. Again, the breakdown under this section should total out to 100. We move to the next section and mention names of the key clients that we have worked with. Moving forward, we'll select the industries that we have worked with and the industries that we have working expertise in. We'll fill out the focus values for each of the industries. After filling out the above mentioned information, we click on Save and Finish to submit all the information that we have filled out so far. We see the following message letting us know that our listing has been submitted and is currently under review. As stated, you will be notified when your business profile gets activated. You can click on Go to Dashboard to see the current status of your profile. Our team aims to review and activate profiles within 3 business days. If you have any questions, simply click on the Help Center menu. You will be redirected to our Help Center page where you can browse the available forms and fill out a form that best represents your query.